Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got a Club Car DS here. Put a lithium battery in for customer, man. This is the first one we've done. It's got the resistors back there instead of the controller. I just wanted to show y'all what you have to do to install the lithium battery in there. And what you're gonna have to do, if you look at it here on your V-Glide here, you have this wire here, this black wire. And what it does, it comes off the charging port ground, which is gonna be this wire right here. Well, we're not using that because we're using the charger cord that comes with the battery. So you must take and cut this black wire, run it to your ground on the battery. And also, if you notice on here, you have an orange wire that goes to your red. If you do away with this, you can take the orange wire and hook it down here to where the red wire went to charge the battery up. But if you do away with that red wire, you're gonna have to bolt your orange wire right here on this post. Or you can run it to the main positive, one of the two. And that's the only thing you're gonna have to do if you want to convert this car to lithium. This is a 90, what is this? I can't see it. 92 model. It's a 92 model. This is before they come out with the controller and everything. This is nothing but a V-Glide resistors motor. Pretty simple to work on, pretty set up. So let me say this again. Black wire from the V-Glide goes to the main negative. The orange wire from the hot side of the charger plug, which goes down to the F&R board, the constant hot wire, because that wire up there comes straight off the main positive. Or you can just run it to the main positive, man. All right, man, I just want to show y'all that, man. If you got any problems, text below. If you can't figure it out, you know what to do, man. Shoot me a text at my number. My number's on my page or it's on a bunch of other videos. And we'll get it running, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll post some more. Watch another video. Always remember, hey, hey, hey.